zebra mussels, and how you can help find out if they're in your lake by participating in a community monitoring program in the Lake of the Woods area. This video will show you why zebra mussels are a concern for the Lake of the Woods area, how to set up your settlement sampler, how to monitor the device, and how to report invasive species when you see them, and most importantly, how to prevent their spread. Zebra mussels are native to Europe and Asia, so when introduced to North America, there are a few predators that will eat them, and they'll outcompete our native organisms. Each mussel can filter 1 liter of water every day, consuming food and nutrients that are normally available for our native zooplankton, the tiny animals that make up the base of our food web. This disrupts the entire ecosystem from the bottom up. As they filter, they remove small particles from our water, making our lakes more clear and allowing sunlight to penetrate deeper. This warms water temperatures and pushes cold water fish deeper, decreasing their habitat, and it increases aquatic plant growth. This impacts us because as zebra mussels eat other types of algae, what they won't eat is the blue-green algae that causes harmful blooms. As lake trout habitat shrinks, they have to spend more energy in unideal conditions, decreasing their health. They can very quickly cover and ruin flat surfaces like boat motors, water intake pipes, docks, and other infrastructure. Their sharp shells will cover shorelines, making beaches unwalkable. And their damage costs billions of dollars to manage each year. The settlement samplers provide a hard surface that the adult mussels can attach to and our volunteers can regularly monitor. This increases our chances of detecting zebra mussels early if they are in our lakes and can identify hotspots and solutions for managing the spread to other water bodies. These are the materials that will come with your settlement sampler package from LOWDSA. And this is what your device should look like when it's fully constructed. It's a bit of a puzzle, so you should pause to follow the setup and reach out if you have any questions. As you monitor the device, the mussels might be hard to see, so to check, you gently run your finger along the device to feel for any bumps, while being careful that the attached species are not disturbed. And if you feel any, inspect further to see if they're mussels. When it comes to identification, you're looking for an average size of 2 to 2.5 centimeters, but up to 4. They sit flat on their underside, are triangular, and have a zigzagged pattern with black or brown and white to yellow, but these color patterns can vary. When in doubt, send us a photo. Reporting and mapping are incredibly important tools for managing invasive species. If you think you found a zebra mussel on your LOWDSA sampler, email info.lakesmart@lowdsa.com. For all invasive species sightings, report to EdMaps online or by calling the Invading Species Hotline. Make sure to include high-quality photos of the species, the location, and other relevant notes. Zebra mussels can be transported on equipment like boats, other watercrafts, bait buckets, trailers, fishing gear, or scuba gear. They're capable of surviving out of the water for several days at a time and can be too small to be seen with the naked eye, so there are several precautions we need to take to ensure they don't spread. To protect our lakes and prevent the spread of zebra mussels and other invasive species, please practice clean, drain, dry before leaving one water body and entering another. First, inspect your boat, trailer, and equipment after each use. Remove all plants, animals, and mud before moving to a new water body. Then, make sure you drain all water from your motor, live well, bilge, and transom wells while you're on land. Clean all recreational equipment with a high-pressure wash, hot water, or alternatively, you can let it dry in the sun for at least 5 days. When it comes to hard-to-clean fishing equipment and nets, submerge them in hot water for 10 minutes. Thank you for doing your part to protect our lakes. To follow along, be a part of the program, or learn more about how you can help protect our lakes, find the Lake of the Woods District Stewardship Association by email, our website, or social media.